In industrial operations, data is everywhere, but insight is not. Teams spend too much time reacting to alarms, pulling data from multiple systems, and manually trying to understand what really happened, often long after decisions need to be made. Reusable changes that. Reusable is a no-code, agentic AI workflow builder designed specifically for industrial environments. It enables teams to build, deploy, and scale AI agents that analyze data, make decisions, and take action, without writing a single line of code. From alert investigation to preventive maintenance, Reusable turns complex industrial data into automated intelligence. Reusable comes with a rapidly growing library of pre-built nodes, including large-scale data processing, industrial AI models, and advanced analytics, ready to use out of the box. Teams can assemble powerful workflows visually, using drag-and-drop building blocks, logical conditions, and reusable subflows. The result? AI agents built in hours or days, not months. Let's look at a real example: the Alert Deep Research Agent. When an alert occurs, this agent automatically gathers data from multiple sources, analyzes sensor behavior, checks for false alerts, and correlates contributing factors using AI models. In minutes, it delivers a clear report explaining what happened, why it happened, and what to do next. What normally takes an engineer half a day, Reusable delivers in 2 minutes. Unlike black box AI tools, Reusable provides full traceability. Every decision, every data pull, and every AI step is visible and auditable. Engineers stay in control, and leadership gains confidence in AI-driven decisions. Once built, agents can be deployed instantly, on demand via API, or on a schedule for use cases like preventive maintenance. Reusable integrates directly into existing operations, triggering actions, sending reports, and assigning tasks automatically, without human intervention. Reusable enables industrial teams to move from reactive operations to proactive intelligence. Faster insights, scalable AI, full transparency. This is how industrial AI gets deployed, at speed and at scale.